madness.
Hello and welcome to another new tutorial in Tuhin's editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove any object or a person or anything from the image in Adobe Photoshop. So I have already opened an image here and you can see a guy is jumping. So our target is to remove this guy from this image. To do that, I'm going to use the lasso tool and make a shape around the person here. You don't need to be precise, but make sure as small can it get. So the shape is created. Now right click here and you can see there is a fill option. Click on that. So this is the default setting of the fill option. You can see the content aware. Make sure it's not anything else, the content aware. So, and also make sure there is a color adaptation option ticked on. So that's it, basically just press OK, deselect, and you can see, boom, very easily the person is removed here, and Photoshop AI has been replaced it with the cloud and it looks really good. So let's try another image. Here's two guys, those are jumping. So I'm going to press shift and use the lasso tool around both of them and right click, fill. Okay, deselect, and they're gone. Seems like there were no people. So you can see it's very fast and easy process to remove any object or people or anything. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.